Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tech Electricals. Now today I'm in the workshop, electrical workshop. Today there has been no school, but today I'm going to explain how to build up a panel of 3-phase direct online with 3 direct online and 1 forward and reverse, stopped by or controlled by an emergency stop button, with 2 indication lamps and a voltmeter, plus a single phase isolator of a control circuit. Now, when we are talking about the motor control, we have 2 circuits: the control circuit and the power circuit. Now members, I'm going to show you the control circuit and the power circuit. Now this is the power circuit, the contactor. Then the overload, it is the control circuit which controls the motor. But the purpose of the contactor is to close, it is a switch. Then the overload controls when starting and stopping the motor. The control circuit consists of normally closed and normally open contacts. When you see NO, that's a normally open contact. It means it contains no power. But when you see NC, it means normally closed contacts. It means this contact is closed with this. Then the NO, the normally open, this contact is open. It is not in contact with this one, 98, 97. Now the purpose of this overload, it has a thermostat inside. Whenever a motor has a fault, the overload trips. For example, let me give you a percolator or a flat iron. Whenever it reaches a maximum thermoset where you set it, it will trip and goes off. Whenever the temperature goes down, it will trip and starts heating. Now, the purpose or the importance of 98 and 97 is for the connection of the indication lamp, which indicates a fault in the system. Now, in this overload, we connect only a live conductor. It means from the power supply or the emergency stop or the isolator, single phase, I'll loop a conductor from here up to here, from 96 to 97, so that when the motor or the system has a fault, it will trip and completes the circuit. It means here on 98, that's where I put my live conduct of my indication lamp. Then I look for a neutral terminal. I terminate the indication lamp. Now, another thing, I'm going to show you how you can set a motor. Let's say the motor is of 10 amperes and I want to set the current that the motor is run to. Now I'm going to get my tester or star. If you are, let me bring it closer. This is the unit of amperes, current. This is 7, 8, 9, 10. This one stops on 10. It means if I have a motor that runs on 10 amperes, I will rotate and set it up to where I want it to be, like this. After I close, then this is a stop button. It acts as the normal C or the NC. Then this is a reset button, resetting the thermal overload. Now this is a power circuit whereby it is electromagnetic. When I press a start button, the latches or the contacts of the contactor are normally open. But when the current or when the circuit is complete, after pressing the start button, the coil will get energized and pull the latches or the contacts to come in contact with T2, T1, T3, then up to 2T2, 2T1, 4T2, then 6T3. Then the motor will start running. This is a single phase direct online, single phase direct online, single phase direct online. Then this is a forward and reverse. Then these are start and stop buttons. This is a forward and reverse. This one with two auxiliaries. Now the auxiliary is mounted on the contactor. Yeah. Now let's go how we connect the indication lamps of the panel. This one indicates that the power is on. Then this one indicates that the supply of the control circuit is on. Let me switch on. Yeah. And even you see the voltmeter, 240, 230 volts. This is a normal stop or emergency stop. It is NC. It is normally closed. Now let me open the remote. If you see, if you look closer, if you try to look, this is an indication lamp. Also this one, it is an indication lamp. Even it is lighting. This one is off. If I try to light it, you will see that it is lighting, off, lighting, off. And this is the emergency stop and the voltmeter. Now the voltmeter has two terminals. The live terminal, this one, even tester is lighting, live terminal, and this is the neutral terminal. Then there is an indication lamp, which is this one is off, but this one is on. Yeah. Then this is our isolator for the control circuit and the power circuit. Now I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to switch it on. Now the two indication lamps are working. Now we'll start with the contactor is closed Also, now what I was explaining to you, this is how it looks like. So when the contactor is closed, when it is open, it looks like this. It means the latch is what? Is not inside. But when it is on, it enters inside. When I try to stop it, then you can also start it from here. This is the same. Also, it is the same on the forward and reverse. Forward, stop, then reverse. And you can not reverse a motor straight when it is not first stopped, because let me give you an example of a car. You first go in neutral to make the car to be free, then you put another gear, let's say reverse, or you first stop a car, then you reverse. It means when I press forward, my motor will run forward, then I stop it after I reverse it. But I can't forward it when it is not first stopped. Then let's see. Then this is emergency stop. This one will cut power or will open the circuit of all the control circuits or the overloads.